This is a recap for Thursday, February 4th. So I thought today I would solve card 6, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. In class, we did, here, let's get my tool out here. In class, we did the first one, and so I'll put that on here. We compared 16 ounces for, whoops, what we did in class was we put the money on the top, 488. And the reason that you put the dollars on top is because you want to figure out how much for 1 ounce or one unit. So you want to grab a calculator and do 4.88 divided by 16. And so we divide by 16 to get 0.305. And so that's this one. And then we'll put $5.24 for 18. So that means we're going to do 5.24 divided by 18. And we get 29 cents. So one repeats for 1 ounce. So that means that's correct. That is the better deal. So we're going to go to 1 and put an O. All right, so let's do, for the rest of this, we're going to drop the numbers or the dollar symbol and just divide 2.8 divided by 8. It's 35 cents a hot dog compared to 320 divided by 10. That's going to be 32 cents. So that's a better deal. So for 2, we're going to put a B. And we're going to do 366 for 6 logs. And I know that's 61 cents for 1. And we're going to compare that. And I have to erase this a little bit so I can see this. All right. So 622 for 10. I know when I divide that by 10, we're going to get 0.62. So this first one was a better deal. So we go to 3 and we put in E. And we're looking to answer the question. And let's go like this. Looking to answer the question, what is green and short and goes camping? So it should be interesting. Let's look at the next one. Is, let's see, 3. And I'm realizing that I did 366 here instead of 364, so I'm going to fix that. This should be 364. So 3.64 divided by 6 is equal to 60. So it's even better deal. It's a little bit more than 60 cents. So we're looking for the smallest number of cents per unit. All right, so let's keep going. 366 divided by, oh, whoops. I'm going to go back to that E because I didn't do it carefully enough. And let's get the eraser and just start this one all over because and this is good for you to see that I was mixing these two up. So I'm going to do this again. $3.64 divided by 4 compared to $4.15 divided by 5. So 364 divided by 4 is 91 cents, and we're looking for the smallest number. Let's do 4.15 divided by 5, and that's 83 cents. So I'm going to change my answer. And this is an A, which kind of makes more sense if it's going to be one letter. It's probably not going to be an E. So whenever you're solving a puzzle and something doesn't seem right, it's a good time to double check like I did. Okay, so we've done this one, this one, this one. We'll kind of try to keep track a little bit better. 366 divided by 6. That's the one that is, goes in there. Oh, and 3666. But all the places you could make a mistake here. So 36.66 divided by 6 is $6.11 for one campfire log, compared to $40.80 divided by 8. Nope. I did the same thing. And I have a solution for this in just a moment. In fact, I'm going to do it right here. So I don't make this same mistake again. I'm going to go like this. Okay. Back to here. So okay, 366 divided by 6 is, I thought that was kind of expensive for a log. Now it's 61 cents per log versus 62 cents, which is 6.22 divided by 10, which is 62 cents for one log. So the first one is a better deal. So I'll go to the 4 and put a Y. Now we've got a boy, that makes sense. And we've done this one. And I'm going to pull out a different color highlighter. We'll go with sky blue. And so I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to use this color to kind of make sure I don't look at the wrong thing here. Or look at on one line and then down to the other. 3666 divided by 6. 3666 divided by 6 is $6.11 compared to $40.80 divided by 8. 40.8 divided by 8 is $5.10. So this is the better deal. So I'm going to go with the O. So I'm going to go to the 5 and put an O. I'm going to go over here since I'm pretty confident that that gave me an answer that makes sense. I'm probably not going to have to redo that. So I'm done with this one. And I'm going to see if I can do this without highlighting it. $2.88 divided by 12 versus $5.04 divided by 20. So 288 divided by 12 is 24 cents. So $5.04 divided by 20. That's a little over 25 cents, so this is the better deal. So I'm going to go to the 6 and put a P. All right, 4 more to do. Let's do, this one already gives us 96 cents for 1 scoop. And so if we divide 180 by 2, we're going to get 90 cents a scoop. So that means that this is the better deal. So we go to the 7 and we put a T. And we're done with that. 3 to go. 484 divided by 40. 484 divided by 40. That's a little over 12 cents. And we're going to compare that with 5.25 for 50. 5.25 divided by 50. And that's a little over 10 cents, which is a better deal. So the second one was a better deal. We're going to put an S by the 8. And now you can probably start to figure out a boy, SP blank OT. All right, excuse me. And this one was the better deal here. Okay, so done with that one. And at this point, it's kind of fun just to, we've got all the math practiced. We might be able to just solve it. So let's look at the number 9 and see if a U or an A, and could be either one. Let's go down to the 10, and there probably isn't going to be 2 P's in a row, probably an R, and a boy sprout. So let's look at the question again. It says, what is green and short and goes camping? A boy sprout. So sprouts are green plants. Boy Scouts are boys that go camping. So there it is, a boy sprout. That is a recap for, and the answer key, for card 6 this week. So it's recap for Thursday, February 4th.